Hi again, this is George from danzan.com, looking at how to use the JWP, or Japanese Word Processing program. Really nice program. It's a freeware, so that makes it even better. And so it helps us to write Japanese on our computer and do lots of stuff with it. Anyway, we left off last time looking at compound kana, where we took two kana, like here we had she plus ya, and that gave us sha, or she plus yo to give us sho, and we found that sho, one of the meanings of sho is this one, which means beginning. By the way, this is also pronounced hajime, which means to start. If you're in a judo match and you're getting ready and you say hajime, that means to begin. But anyway, sho, and it also means the first, like beginning level. Shodan is the first black belt level in judo, or jujitsu, or karate. So anyway, so we had to get certain sounds. We have to mix two kana together. Here, she plus yo gives us sho. Now, another thing that happens, and by the way, using, I didn't mention this in the last video, I should have mentioned this, but the nice thing about JWP is that it will do this automatically for you. So you don't have to try to move, write a yo and then move it down or anything like that. All you have to do is just type SHO. So I'm going to do that right now. SHO. And it does that automatically for you. Okay? And so that's really nice. Now, the other thing that we saw with, well, before I get to that, another way that certain Japanese words are said are with elongated vowels, such as, and we'll use the same thing here. Sho is a short o, sho, but then if we want to extend it and say sho with just a little more extension, the way we do that is we say sho, and then we add an u sound. So typically when you're writing Japanese with elongated vowels like that, you write with an u sound. Not always the u, but sometimes, but most of the time when you're elongating an o or an u, it becomes this sho. Or in the case of u, it might be shu. Okay. Oh, gee, I wonder what that means. Oh, there's some kanji for that. I'm going to back up and just leave the kana on there. Shu. Okay. So that's how you can elongate a sound. Well, which one is which? Well, just like anything else, any other language, you have to just learn it. So let's take this one, and as we saw, well, let's start with this one. As we saw, this one can mean beginning. Can mean this one, which is a pen. Let's see, where are we at? Control I. This means to write, like shuji, handwriting. Our penmanship uses this one, and so lots of other ones. So let me Control Z to go back, or I could have hit this button to go back to undo. So what does sho mean? Does it also mean to write? Well, if you have two, and we see all of these kanji. Do I see the right in there? And you can actually scroll to the left, to the right, to get that. I don't see those kanji. So you see there are a whole bunch of kanji for one sound, especially sho. So what does this one mean here? Control I means a few or a little. Okay? Just a few. Or this one, which looks similar, which means small or little. Okay? Control Z, back to there. So when you want to elongate a sound, elongate a vowel, then you do the extra oo on the end in a lot of cases. Sometimes there are other vowels that are used to elongate a word, but in this case we use the U sound. So there you go, and we'll see you on the next video.